Unveiling the Meaning, Take Shape. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, take shape. It's a fascinating expression that we often use to describe how something is developing or starting to form. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding such phrases can enhance your fluency. So, let's get started. Let's begin by exploring where take shape comes from. It's a metaphorical phrase that visualizes the process of forming something concrete from an idea or plan. Imagine a sculpture's clay gradually forming into a recognizable object. That's taking shape in action. It's not about physical forms only. Ideas and plans take shape in our minds before becoming reality. How is take shape used in modern English? It's quite versatile. You might hear someone say, "Our plans for the summer vacation are finally taking shape," or "The new project at work is taking shape nicely." It's used to express progress and the formation of something distinct from an initial, often vague, stage. To grasp the usage better, let's look at some examples. After months of practice, her skills in painting are really taking shape. The community garden is taking shape with everyone's efforts. As the details were added, the event began to take shape. These sentences show take shape in action, describing a process reaching a significant stage of development. Synonyms can also help clarify meaning. Phrases like come together, form, and materialize convey similar meanings. For instance, the strategy began to come together after the meeting. A solution is starting to form as we discuss. The idea didn't materialize until we all shared our thoughts. Understanding these can add variety to your English and help you recognize the phrase in different contexts. And that's take shape in a nutshell. It's about ideas, plans, or projects developing into something clear and structured. I hope this video helped the phrase take shape in your mind, and you can now use it confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll see your English skills take shape too. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.